Hey, this is Neil for carlightcleaners.com. So it's been a good run. I really hope that as many of you guys as possible had benefited from the free training that I had here on YouTube. And it was really my hope of putting all those video training series on this channel that I really would have garnished enough subscribers to have gotten to the 1,000 subscribe mark. I really look forward to the monetization of the channel. But in order for me to get to that point, I really needed the subscribers to reach that amount, but I never got there. And it's frustrating for me because I've had this channel for over 14, perhaps even 15 years. And it's just been so incremental in trying to reach 1,000. I've seen other guys who've set up their car light restoration, YouTube channel, and I see these guys at thousands, 5,000, subscribers, and I'm just wondering, how come I'm not there? And I don't know what it is. I think YouTube, for whatever reason, they just, I don't know if they got any strikes on me or something, or if I violated something. I don't know. But I do know that maybe I'm just not getting the rotation maybe as I should get. But it's frustrating. It's really frustrating and I have experience with, like optimizing and doing SEO and this and that, putting in the tags and the keywords and things. But for whatever reason, after 14, 15 years, my YouTube channel is still sitting under 500, nowhere near 1,000. It will probably take me another 15 something years before I eventually get 1,000 subscribers. But anyway, having said all of that, in the frustration that I'm pretty much venting, I'm gonna have to just make the training videos for sale. Okay, so I'm gonna take down the training videos. Probably by the time you're watching this video, those videos, the training videos for headlight restoration will be taken down. Okay, and I'm just gonna make them for sale. So if you're seeing this video and you was hoping to continue your training with the free training that I was offering here, I'll make it absolutely affordable for you to access those training videos. And you can have the option to download the videos yourself. And it's really to your advantage to do so, because you never know. I mean, who knows? YouTube just might deplatform me, right? And if you're depending on watching these training videos on this channel, they would just be gone. But it's better if you just actually have the training videos downloaded yourself, so that no matter what happens, you'll be able to continue watching, learning from the training videos. And besides, I'm up in age. I'm in my late 60s, so I'm here till further notice. So you don't want to be in that situation where you're trying to get the training from the videos, and all of a sudden the YouTube channel is not there anymore, because I wouldn't be here anymore. So I mean, I don't mean to be negative, but it is a reality of life. But I am doing this video out of frustration as well, because it just seemed like I should have been at 1,000 plus subscribers by now. So I don't know if I'm not getting enough likes. I've seen tons of likes, really, to tell you the truth, but not getting the subscribers. I don't know, maybe I'm not asking for the subscribers enough, but it's just been now that I have to take it down, because I'm not wealthy. I'm not even a middle class income type person. But I do take pleasure in that many of you have benefited, and because you're younger, you got more hustle. It's just nice to know that, a number of you guys probably really, did financially well with this, and it's nice to know that I've touched lives, I've touched a lot of lives of you guys that added to your family income, that maybe help you stair step to something that you wanted to reach, but you just needed that extra income to get there. And so, hey, I feel good about that, So anyway, so I hate to make this type of announcement, but yeah, but it will be affordable for you guys. It's not like I'm taking it down and then I'm making it for sale and it's going to cost you like $50 or something. It's going to be around $15. Okay, so it'll be very affordable, $15. And so you're learning everything you need to know about not only the basics of doing headlight restoration, but about the business aspect of it too. You learn about the different headlight shapes, removing the clear coat, how you interact with customers, things you need to watch out for. And so those are the details that you actually get from the training video, how to get customers, and so I'm teaching you all those things that you're not going to learn those things in detail just watching YouTube videos. Okay. Now there may be some guys who are probably offering that type of training, but they already got over 1,000 subscribers, so they get monetized by YouTube. They making their money. Besides, So, but I'm not. And that's the frustration of it all. I'm knocking myself stupid. Having made all these videos and posting it on this channel, and and it's like YouTube is just throwing me peanuts. Every year maybe I just get 2-3 subscribers. It's just I don't know what that is. But anyway, maybe I'm doing something wrong. I don't know. If I'm doing something wrong, I'd like for YouTube to contact me and let me know what I'm doing wrong. A lot of times when you are doing something wrong and then they penalize you for it, they never say what it was for. But anyway, okay, so I don't want to make this, this sad song too long. But so if you go to the website at carlightcleaners.com, you'll see the link in the description box below. There you'll find where you can actually purchase the course, and it'll be like $15. And so it's something that you will have permanently with yourself on your hard drive. So in case anything else, hey, and plus it's gonna be commercial free. You're not gonna get the commercials watching these videos if you actually own it, if you actually download it. But as long as you come to YouTube, you're gonna get the advertisement. It's just a given. Okay. So anyway, all right. So check it out, and I'll still be posting stuff here on this channel. I don't want it to sound like I'm gonna close this channel out and end it, but it's just for the training information. I have to try to make some money. I need to make ends meet. I'm an old guy. I can't just survive on SSI each month alone. So it's rough. It's rough. Okay, but I'll be all right. I'll get by. But I'm just saying that I should have been doing much better. Okay. Anyway, guys, y'all take care, and we'll catch you in another video. Alrighty? Check out the links also in my description box below the video to my other side hobbies that I'm doing that, perhaps I might get your support in those ventures as well. So just, check it out, All right, guys. Take care and have a great day.